Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome. Let's do a little post analysis. This was what we were looking at yesterday, that a break above this level will indicate further bullish rally. Break above, stop loss below the structure. TP1 was hit based on my 1 hour, and I anticipated price to rally to this point, this level, to get my TP2. So at the moment, what I'm waiting for is to see if price would do what? Give me my TP2. Okay. This is what I got on Bitcoin. Okay, this is the larger structure. Then for GJ, British pound Japanese yen played out very beautifully. Um, as you can see, let's look at this very quickly. This was what I was looking at. A break above this zone will indicate bullish rally. Then afterwards, I set my I set my pending order, which is my buy stop, and that on the break of this structure, price should rally, stop loss below the structure. That is the phase two. Then phase three was price hitting my target. Okay, hitting my target, came for retest, and let's see what today will give us. It came for retest. I'm expecting it to at least retest this high or potentially make a new high. So this is what occurred post analysis on GJ. Okay, so let's quickly delve into what we want to see or looking at today. Oh, voila. As you can see, price gave me my TP yesterday, retraced, but respected the structure. If it had broken this structure, then we'll be singing a different lullaby. Respected the structure. Now price is doing what? Price, after respecting the structure, rallied, made a new high. So at the moment, on the break of this high, I'm anticipating price to do what? Continue going up. Okay, at least to give me my 1 hour. But you see this zone, I got to be very careful. Whatever buys you want to take, just be careful of this zone, because this is an area price could do what? Reject. But let's see what's gonna happen. Um, that is for GJ, British pound Japanese yen. Let's see what we have on gold. For gold, gold is just playing beautifully, just like we anticipated. Okay, yesterday gold was just on the low or slow kind of motion, but it has given us the price action we're anticipating, which is for price to make a high, break the low, test one, test two, and what? Kaboom, to retest this low. So gold is just giving us the price action we are looking for. So this is test one, this is test two. This is the guy who started the minor sellers territory, which is in confluence with the major sellers territory. So if this low is broken, but 4 hours is like the big boys, so you got to drop to the 1 hour to see what the 1 hour is going to give us. So based on the 1 hour, what I'm looking at is quite simple. Based on the 1 hour, um, this is the sales. Test one, test two, test one, test two, giving us deeper test. So what I'm looking out for is break below here for price to do what? Retest this low. Excuse me. Break below and price to retest this low. So that is what I'm looking at. So we break below this particular level. This is one area of potential TP. Price could react from this low. but estimated price breaks below this level. Let's say it does like this. Estimated price breaks below this level. We'll be anticipating what? For further bearish momentum to retest this low. Okay, so the bears could perform something like this. Just this is just what I'm looking at, but I'm sure it's going to be smoother than this. So let me not make it too tough for the bears. Okay, so it's going to be something of this nature. Then voila, to our area of TP. So this is for gold. Then for Bitcoin, the last but not the least is Bitcoin. Just trying to keep this short and sweet. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bitcoin has given us the TP2. Okay. If you remember, this was my TP2. Okay. Though I did not use my order to signify it. But you know how we roll. We close some portion at TP1, then leave the rest to TP2, especially when I am anticipating to get to a bigger audience. I leave it to rally. It's not that I'm going to add two positions like 2%. No, it's still my 1%. Okay. Some will be closed here. Then if you see, this would already give me an extra 1 point something percent. So I just got to look at it later. Price reacted from this level. Okay. I just place this level here to give me an indication where price may react from. It's not that I'm going to close it trade. Just if I did not keep this, I would not know why price is reacting from here. I'll be like, oh, what's going on? It was smacked down. It was smacked down. This candle to close above this range, but smacked below it. What's going on? But because of this level, I know where it's coming from. That is why I know that price may react from here, but a break and close above will indicate me taking me to my Tahiti, you understand, island where I'm just going to chill. So this is what happened on gold. Okay. So gold played that beautifully. Bitcoin, this is what happened on Bitcoin. We were anticipating the buys because we were in buyer's territory. This was an area of to be cautious about, or so that will not be a cautionary tale to others. This was an area to be cautious. Okay, but as you can see, price broke close above, came for retest, just as we depicted in the this thing, the pictorial diagram that was shown. Just 1 second. Okay, look at it. Just like we depicted here in this diagram, look at where price was, and it eventually gave us a tip. Look at the yellow line you've seen on the chart. That price was respecting. This is it. This level, price was respecting it. So gold played that beautifully. Bitcoin, gold did not give us any kind of trade yesterday, but GJ and Bitcoin played that beautifully and gave us our take profit. So this is just me saving what I did before and after. Okay, day bought 6. Okay, I'll stop here for now. Okay, cheers. Bye for now.